Ever wondered what it actually takes to go from zero experience to sitting in the cockpit of an airliner? No shortcuts, no fluff, just the real roadmap. Here's exactly how to become a professional pilot, step by step, with real time frames and real costs. I'm breaking this down into 9 stages. Some of them run back to back. Some of them overlap, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's ahead of you and roughly what to budget for. Let's get into it. Before you touch an aircraft, there are a few boxes to check. You'll need to be at least 17 years old, hold a Class 1 medical certificate, and meet the English proficiency standard set by ICAO. The medical exam alone can cost between $150 and $500. And I always tell people, get this done first. There's no point spending thousands on flight training before confirming you're medically fit to fly. This is where it all begins. The private pilot license, or PPL. You'll log around 40 to 45 flight hours, learning the fundamentals: takeoffs, landings, navigation, radio calls. Expect this stage to take 3 to 6 months and cost somewhere between $8,000 and $15,000. Next up, the instrument rating. This teaches you to fly using only your instruments. No visual reference outside the cockpit. Critical for real-world flying in clouds and poor visibility. Another 40 to 50 hours. 2 to 3 months. $8,000 to $15,000. Now we move into commercial territory, the CPL. This is where flying becomes precise. Advanced maneuvers, commercial standards. By the time you finish, you'll have around 200 to 250 total flight hours. Budget 2 to 4 months and $15,000 to $30,000. Then comes the multi-engine rating. Learning to fly aircraft with more than one engine, including engine-out procedures. This one's quick. 1 to 2 weeks, $3,000 to $8,000. Here's the big one, ATPL, Theoretical Knowledge. 13 to 14 subjects covering everything from air law to meteorology to aircraft systems. 13 to 14 subjects covering everything from air law to meteorology to aircraft systems. Many pilots study for this alongside their flight training. 6 to 18 months of study, $3,000 to $10,000. Now here's a stage people don't talk about enough. Airlines want pilots with around 1,500 flight hours before they'll even consider you for the right seat. So how do you get there? Most pilots become flight instructors. You're not spending money here, you're earning it, while building the hours you need. This stage can take 1 to 3 years. Once your ground exams are done and your hours are building, you're holding what's called a frozen ATPL. Hit 1,500 hours, pass your ATPL skills test, and it unfreezes. Full airline transport pilot license. That skills test alone runs $3,000 to $6,000. Before you fly for an airline, you need a type rating, certification on a specific aircraft, like a Boeing 737 or an Airbus A320. Certification on a specific aircraft, like a Boeing 737 or an Airbus A320. 6 to 10 weeks of training, $20,000 to $35,000, if you're self-funding. Though many airlines sponsor this once you're hired. Last stage. Airline-specific training. Multi-crew cooperation, line training, flying under supervision before you're fully released. Multi-crew cooperation, line training, flying under supervision before you're fully released. This is usually covered by your employer. So, add it all up. 3 to 5 years. Roughly $70,000 to $120,000 if you're going the self-funded modular route. Integrated academies can get you from 0 to frozen ATPL faster, 12 to 18 months, but at a similar or higher total cost. That's the full roadmap, from your first medical exam to the airline flight deck. If you want the breakdown of the ATPL ground school syllabus, all 14 subjects, drop a comment and I'll cover that next. Follow Aviation Blueprint for more, and I'll see you in the next one.